Hello. Today we are going to make the Colonial classic, the authentic Indian railway mutton curry, another family favorite. Do you know there is a story behind the railway mutton? This rich, bold, spiced mutton gravy was created during the British colonial period for travelers on long distance Indian trains such as the Frontier Mail. The origin is the Kosha Mangso, a spicy Bengali curry which can be spiced down using yogurt or coconut milk. Mind you, we are not using either of them. We are going to make it in its true form. The curry took influences from the regions that the train passed through. Potatoes were also added to the curry to make a healthy, filling meal. As a working mother, anything that can save me time, be it quick marination, pressure cooking, always gets a thumbs up from me. So let's begin. Detailed recipe is given in the description below, so let's begin. We will require sliced onions, ginger, peppercorn, coriander seeds, cinnamon sticks, cardamoms, cloves, star anise, jeera and ajwain, which is not shown here, mustard oil, very essential, and salt. Washed and clean boneless mutton and bone marrow, pepper, potatoes, tomatoes, and ginger garlic paste. Marinate the mutton with mustard oil, the ginger garlic paste, salt, pepper, and do the same for the potatoes too. Saute the whole masalas, take jeera, ajwain, and all the masalas that I mentioned earlier. Roast them till you can smell the fragrance. Add some mustard oil to the pressure cooker and stir the onions in the same till they brown. Grind the cool down masala and add it to the browned onions. Add ginger and the mutton to the browned onions. I normally roast the potatoes in an air fryer before adding it to the pressure cooker along with the mutton. Add the ground masala to the mutton. Now grind the tomatoes and add that to the mutton also. One pro tip is that no water is to be added to this. Pressure cook it up to 5 whistles. And your delicious railway mutton is ready. Garnish it with coriander and serve it hot with parathas or steamed rice. The detailed recipe is given in the description below. Please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.